This quite simple recipe is from the so-called cookbook of Vinidarius, a 5th century Goth, who probably lived on the Italian peninsula. In late antiquity, these recipes were added to the earlier Apicius collection, which led to a vivid debate about the dating of the latter. A major question in reconstructing this recipe is the interpretation of the term liquamen, which can be another term for garum, the fish sauce, but in the transitional period to the Middle Ages apparently could also refer to other salty condiment sauces.